I'm Sarabjit Lal. I'm the Deputy Dean and Head of French Language Department at DPS Gurgaon. I've been part of DPS Gurgaon for the past 15 years.
If you had to describe this profession in one word, what would it be?
I would say meaningful.
If there's someone who is choosing to pursue a career in French teaching, what would you like to tell them?
If someone is planning to pursue their career in French, I would say it's a very fulfilling profession, of course. And whatever level they are at, I always advise all the teachers to just keep on upgrading themselves. So if you are at a A2, B1, just consistently work and you will see the progress over a period of time. For example, in my school, the teachers who are teaching middle and senior school are all DELF B2 qualified. And still, I tell them to attend workshops, to upgrade themselves, and they do it over a period of time.
What do your students enjoy most in the French class?
I think you'll have to ask them. But I can say one thing is that they like that I teach French as a skill and not just a subject. So whenever I come across an interesting activity, I integrate it in the program. And also I take them beyond the classroom.
Could you give us a few examples of the classroom activities that you have integrated?
According to the subject, according to the topic, we always have listening skills and we have speaking skills associated. Of course, we do grammar. In CBSE, we have to have a lot of grammar exercises. But along with that, we make sure that we have at least 2 speaking exercises and 2 listening exercises.
If there's a student and if they come to you seeking advice on whether to pursue French or not, what would you say to them?
I just talk to them about France, the various aspects of France, the culture, the cuisine, gastronomy, and you just have to spark that interest. Once they're interested, they go back home, they look, they read, and they come back and they decide to pursue the language.
Why and how did you decide to become a French teacher?
My association with French language started in Belgium, where I did my primary education. And after that, it is said childhood memories are the strongest. So growing up, I nurtured my affinity for the language. Whenever I had the opportunity, I studied French, first at school, then during college, and then while I was working. And I just want to say here that, knowing the language opened doors for me. So I was working in a finance company, then I progressed to heading the French Tourism Board. And later I transitioned into teaching. It has been a very fulfilling experience for me. I became a teacher because I wanted to share my love for the language and the culture with the student. Learn French, open your horizons.